Pretty gangster. Pretty gangster. Welcome back, pretty gang. How y'all doing today? Today I'm just trying to give energy. Tell me what y'all are getting from this hair. It's cute, amazing, adorable, and I styled it myself, period. I did everything except for color this hair. This wig came pre-colored or whatever, but in this video today I'm gonna show you how I installed this wig and how I got it on my head and why I'm looking like Miss Beyonce, because this wig is giving me life. It's so pretty. Also, I don't know if y'all noticed, I hate talking too much in the intro, but do you see the video quality? I got a new lens, y'all. Quality is only going up from here. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but lately I've been trying to rebrand my channel after hitting my 1-year mark. So we got a new intro, y'all got new nicknames, I got my new lens, and I have so many new videos coming. I cannot wait. Y'all have to subscribe. It's gonna be crazy. I got so many different ideas, and we're definitely growing out of hair a little bit, testing the waters, other areas, you feel me? So yeah, all things beauty on this channel. Everything is gonna be on here, but stay tuned. This next month is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna shut up and let y'all watch the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and join the Pretty Gang, or you're gonna miss all the things we do over here at Pretty Gang Incorporated, and you don't want to miss that. But if you have already, then you may continue and enjoy the video. All right, y'all, we're starting with styling. So I'm starting with it on my mannequin head. We're just gonna take the hair from this to this, and it took me about all of 30 minutes, so just keep watching. So first, this is the hair straight out the box, and all I did was pluck the front. So the front is a little frizzy because it got sprayed with water, but I just wanted to show y'all the color and like how it looks under the layer of highlights that they put on the top. Then the next step is to hot comb and wax the hair back into the ponytail position so we can get it ready to, you know, just be the half up, half down that it's supposed to be. While you're doing this, you're gonna want to part out where your ponytail is. Y'all see in a second, but I have mine parted at where the weft meets the lace. So I'm just gonna clip this up because I cannot find my ponytail holder. But next we're just gonna hot comb all the hair behind that straight back and down in the position that it's supposed to go for the half up, half down. And then we can just get into curling it. So to style today, I'm using this Tai Chi or Tai Che curling wand that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm using Got To Be spray, combing it through, and then I'm just curling the hair in the wand curler. And that's literally what I do for this whole thing. These first two, you're gonna see me just drop the curls after I take it off, but every curl after these ones, I held it up until it got a little bit cooled off. Not cooled off all the way, but just a little bit cooler, and then I dropped it because I wanted my waves to be a little tighter. Not quite curls, but you know, I wanted them to be tighter so they would last longer. And these first two did not last very long at all after I let them go. But you can see here, I'm just repeating the same steps over and over, this time holding the hair and just making sure that it cools off a little in my hands first. So since I finished this side, I'm just gonna come back and show you guys the other side when I'm finished. So now that I'm on my last curl, you can see I'm just repeating that exact same method over and over. I literally did it the whole head, and I made sure to take small sections so that my waves last longer. And this is the hair once you're done. So now we're moving on to the ponytail area. I'm parting out the section where I had those two strands of hair hanging down, and you just want to take two separate areas. Don't let them connect though. Like, you want to make a space between them, if that makes sense, because you don't want them to be that close together. But then I'm just taking out baby hairs. I'm just parting away a thin layer and cutting it. So after our baby hairs are done, you can spray Got To Be on the ponytail area, and we're just gonna comb it back. You could put your ponytail up on this part. The only reason you're gonna see me clip it in a second is because, like I said, I couldn't find a ponytail holder, and I ended up finding it later, but I just kind of held it in place like that and focused on curling my little strands of hair in the front. So first, I'm just lifting them off the mannequin head with the curling wand because I don't like them to be like laying flat on your face. And then I curled them. And then I loosened them up by kind of straightening them out a little bit because I didn't like how curly it was. And then I moved on to my ponytail and I finally secured it. I didn't spray any more product, I just secured the ponytail. Next, we're gonna move on to curling the ponytail. So use the same got-to-be comb and wand curl method that we did before. It's really easy, and make sure to hold the curls up as well. And now we can finally comb through the curls and waves with our fingers, which is like the satisfying part, you know? So now that we're done with that, this is how the wig will look once you're done styling. And then we can move on to installing, which is really the fun part. But yeah, it turned out really cute. I love how bouncy it is. That's exactly what I was going for, like waves slash curls. Now we're just gonna move on to installing the wig. All right, y'all, so this how the hair came out, giving very much Beyonce vibes. Okay, in person I can't see my lace at all. On the camera, or at least on my monitor, I can see the lace, which is weird, but I just want y'all to know in person this is blended. I'm loving this hair on me, like ugh. Oh my gosh, you can't tell me nothing, period. These waves look so beautiful with it. I do think it would look really good with the curls for more volume, but my waves is cute, I don't care. So yeah, we're gonna get into the pros and cons real quick. This is going to be very much a review, okay? Very much Pretty Gang material. I'm gonna give y'all the truth, I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion, and y'all gonna sit through it. I mean, you don't have to, but okay. So this is their 13x4 transparent lace, 150% density straight wig in 24 inches, and of course it's the honey blonde color. It's very cute, very much honey blonde. I'm dumb. They do claim that the wig is one size fits all. I cannot clear this as big head friendly. I'm sorry, big head friends out there, okay? It ain't for us. I'm gonna show y'all something, and don't tell nobody because I'm embarrassed. It don't fit all the way at all, and my head is exactly the big head measurement, which is 23 inches. So for those extra big heads, I know people have bigger heads than me, this is not for y'all. This is not for big heads at all. If you wear large, you don't need this wig, unless they have an option where you could pick the size, but she told me one size fits all. So yeah, this ain't for us at all. That is one of the cons. I don't like how it's one size fits all. Y'all know how I feel about that. There's no such thing as one size fits all. But on the bright side, if you do have like a large-ish medium head like mine, but just a little bit smaller, because I'm like I told y'all, I'm the exact measurement for large. Like, so if you have like a smaller head than mine by like even a little bit. They make the lace extremely stretchy, which I'm noticing a lot of one size fits all wigs are doing, which is okay. Look at them trying to step up. They really did try their best to make it one size fits all. If you have like a medium largish, like I said, you can definitely rock this and it'll be a tight fit. But even then, I pulled it to like the stretchiest it will go, or at least I tried to, and I'm not noticing any pulling at my edges, any tugging. And usually when you stretch a wig too far, you'll feel it like trying to lift up. That didn't happen with this wig at all. I'm gonna show y'all the length, but another pro would be that it is true to length, because it's 24 inches and it's definitely giving 24 inches. I'm gonna try to show y'all, but here it is. And this is, y'all can better see the highlights now, but it's going to like my booty, you know, and I'm 5'8" for everybody who's gonna ask down below. So yeah, it's definitely 24 inches and I have waves in it, so you know, true to length. I don't think I have any more pros or cons. I just think the hair quality is really good. It's very silky, and it's actually, when I took it out the box, it was way softer than a lot of my black straight hair. I do just want to add one more thing. I forgot to mention, I didn't have to bleach these knots. These knots are not bleached, baby. They are perfect. They came this color. They were like the color of the hair. All I did was pluck. I didn't even wash the hair. I literally just styled it. If it fit my head, this would be a perfect wig. Let me know what y'all think down below. If I forgot to mention anything, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I get back to all of my comments that are questions. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and join the Pretty Gang. You know what that means. That means press the subscribe button. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.